Hello everyone, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel, and I want to share with you the new Hero Arts monthly subscription kit. I love this subscription kit. I have to tell you, this is probably the best bang for your buck as far as subscription kits go, because there are a lot of them that have a lot of wonderful product in them, but a lot of times they don't include the dies. However, Hero Arts, my monthly hero kit, does include dies that coordinate with the stamps you get. So here it is, Hero Arts, and it says thank you for your order. Really pretty. And then you can always add on different products that they'll ship along with your kit, and you get free shipping as long as you are subscribed to the monthly hero kit. So I brought my scissors and I'm going to open this. This arrived today, and it said that it arrived one day late, but usually I get it within just a few days of them shipping, which this time was only like 3 days. But you get these cute little wreaths. Aren't those adorable? Really cute. You get this beautiful wood grain paper. I have it in white already, but oh my goodness, look, it's in, I hope you can tell. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. But it's wood grain in gray and then in brown. 2 sheets of each. And then you get the little ink pads here. I'm not sure what colors those are as far as name goes, but you can see how pretty they are there. And here is the stamp and coordinating die set. So let me untie this ribbon, because I do keep this ribbon. You can use it on your cards. And so this, oops, sorry for the glare. This one is filled with beautiful birds. I love them, and all different cute and sweet sentiments. So you've got sending you sunshine, you are one cool chick. I love that. So happy for you. Spread your wings. Congrats. Hey, girlfriend instead of girlfriend. Anyway, they're super cute. And then look at all those dies. I love it. And you get this big feather, but look at this. You also get this big nest for a die. I love that. This is going to be so much fun. And check this out. I didn't order this. They sent this along with the monthly kit this month. So, whoop-hoops, I'm excited. It says about Hero Arts, and then look at this. It's filled with their different inks, their different stamps, and then inspiration. Love it. Love, 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 love this. And you know what this is going to make me want to do? Do a little bit more shopping with them. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with everybody. And also, I would like to say really quick, thank you, thank you, thank you for everyone that has subscribed to my channel in the last month. I have reached a milestone. I've reached over 4,000 subscribers, so watch for a giveaway coming up soon, probably within the about 2-3 weeks. I want to do a little something special, but I got to figure out what exactly I'm going to do. And then also, thank you for everyone that has been watching my videos and helping me reach my monetization goals. I'm still not there, but I'm hoping I will get there with each video watched. And if you are not subscribed, I want to say real quick, I hope that you click the subscribe button and also that little bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. I have a lot of wonderful new and exciting ideas for videos coming up in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fabulous day. Oh, and why don't you take a peek at my craft room tour videos? I uploaded them yesterday. Bye-bye now.